Hello and welcome to you all from the Giuseppe Meazza in Milan. I'm Peter Drury and it's a pleasure to be alongside Jim Beglin.
Thanks, Peter. Hello, everybody. Ready to see what unfolds in this one now.
We can have a look at them now. That gets things running. Roberto floats one over. Morata showed plenty of zest in getting to the ball, but couldn't quite sort it out. It's a throw in. Looks to slip it through. Away from immediate danger. Is it in? Shot! Goal! Offside.
Yeah, the assistant did have his flag up. The referee seemed to spot it late, though. Nevertheless, the right decision.
Disappointment and relief on either side. Nothing doing. Keeper's got good distance on that. Hit long and direct. Well, needless to say, he was expecting a better ball than that. Big chance! And that's off target.
Yeah, we love a trier, Peter, but it has to be a far greater quality to beat the keeper from there.
Decent progress down the left. Cross deflected behind for a corner. Spoon forward. Oh, he's caught him there, it's a free kick. Roberto knocks it towards the front. Now the pass. The shot's on! Oh, great save, real class.
The keeper has shown great concentration there. I think his anticipation pretty much did the trick for him.
Into the channel. Going for goal!
Well, with this guy and the talent he's got, you know he's probably going to try his luck from there, but that one he didn't really get right at all.
Good challenge, he just stood firm. Gets it back, and he's shown him a clean pair of heels. Goal! And Atalanta go in front. Oh, beautifully dispatched. There was no reaching that.
Now that's what I call finishing, right in the corner. He knew instinctively who was where and didn't need to waste any time weighing things up. That's a cracking goal.
Atalanta take the lead, 1-0.
Still a fragile lead, though. They can't afford to sit on this.
Done very well to intervene. Tries to dink it in. Who's going to make this theirs? It's a long forward pass. Tries a through ball. And the defence can get it clear. Did really well to intervene and dispel the growing danger. Pass needed to be better than that, and he knows it. Passes it through. Now the cross. And that was asking just too much of him. Did well to step in there, that was more than necessary. Dinks one in, cuts it out. It'll be a throw-in. It's a poor throw that, picked off with relative ease.
Well, when the options aren't quite present in the box, it's the crosser's interest to hold on for the support.
Atalanta are ahead here. It has been a good half for them. Looks like a good ball through. Corner it is. Towering header! No, not the best of headers. Roberto. So they got the only goal to make it 1-0. Now the pass. And he's made certain that won't get through. Battles to win it back. Tries lifting it over. And that has put paid to that. Forward it goes. Oh, good interception. There is the half-time whistle.
Well, this team has found a real rhythm to their game. The players seem to have clicked well. There's good movement off the ball. The passes are sticking. No one's afraid to have a go.
Atalanta leading 1-0 at the break. Here we go again. Atalanta carry a one-goal lead into the second half. Promising cross. It's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. Tries a through ball. Another piece of really good defending. Roberto. And it's Roberto. Pumps it forwards. He's made sure that that won't get through. Tries to get it forward quickly. It's a throw. Final checks on the touchline. A change about to occur. Played out to the wing.
Well, there's a lot of movement out wide now.
Yeah, you can certainly see that.
Well, I think it's a move to open the game up more, whether out wide or just getting a runner through the middle now.
Chance! He's away! Danger averted for now. It's going to be another throw. Looks like a good ball through. Ball swung in. Firmly met. He's going to have to tune his rangefinder before the next one. Ball needed to be better there. It's a wasted chance. Gets it back. That's a good block, but at the expense of a corner. Long and direct. Plays it out to the flank. That'll be a throw. Hoofs it forward. Has a pop! Oh, that is very close.
Yeah, and he knew he had to get his efforts away before being closed down, but he could have sacrificed a little power then for a bit more accuracy.
Morata plays it long. Alberto Moreno looking to get on the end of this. And it's the goalkeepers to claim. That's the sort of defending that is going to upset the opposition. It already has, actually.
Yeah, and the fact that he's registered, Peter, simply encourages more attention of a closer nature.
With a delicate ball. Pumps it upfield. Your impression so far, Jim?
They're ahead, but they're not playing as if they are. There seems to be more of an emphasis on protecting their lead than adding to it. It's all gone a little timid.
Well, the referee's pulled play back and has booked him for the original offence. There is some activity down on the touchline. It seems there's going to be a change. Good challenge, he just stood firm. Aimed forward. And it's Morata. Brought forward. What does he try from here? Tries the route one option. Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. Whistle's gone, that's foul. Tries a long pass towards the front. Looks to slip it through. Passes it through. Keeper's ball. Atalanta leading here by this still precarious 1-0 margin. Looks like a good ball through. He's been taken down and the referee has pointed at the spot. Atalanta, with the clock ticking away, have a chance to change the whole picture. Referee's got a big call to make here. He's gone to his pocket and yes, he is off. Well, there may be some scope for debate over the seriousness of the offence, but none over its repercussions. They'll have to see out the rest of the game with 10 men.
Yeah, well, they were exposed and vulnerable, and he knew he had to do something to prevent a goal then.
To increase the lead. Calm as you like, and they're running away with it. That's as calm as you like.
Well, that was a big pressure kick, and he didn't let his team down. He took that so calmly.
2 up and very little time left. Surely this is it. Lofted into the middle. Thrust towards the front line. Goes long and forward. And now they can launch a counter. And now the finish! And he's there to hoof it away. Aimed in towards the centre. They are rampant! And surely that settles it! A great delivery and a finish to match.
Well, look, it's often the timing of the jump that dictates what you can do with any header, and if you get it slightly wrong, then you'll struggle, but that was beautifully met, it really was.
Three without reply. This is becoming a stroll. Boots it upfield. Morata with the ball through. Has it out wide now. He's gone for it! What about it? Well, he was never going to miss from there. So much to aim at.
Peter, that was just a defensive act of generosity that was always going to have a painful ending.
Be a change here. There's a man waiting to come on. And there goes the final whistle. Well, the manager heads down the tunnel, swathed in satisfaction. His team have carried out his instructions to the word, and they have got their win. Your final thoughts, Jim?
Look, a win's a win. Sometimes it's not as you'd like, but you have to find a way to produce what you need, and I thought they did that.
And with that, it's time for me to thank Jim Beglin and to wish you a very good evening.